First, let's have the bull case and then we'll try and dissect why we shouldn't be holding on to Titan. But what's the bull case in favor of the stock?
Well, Aisha, for one, it's going to be quite an easy topic to discuss, the bull case for Titan, because the management themselves have guided for very strong numbers for Q4 as well. They've recently, in fact, said that the growth will continue not only till FY22, till FY23 as well. So that means we're talking about roughly more than a 20% CAGR in their jewelry business all the way till FY23. Recently as well, when it came to their quarterly updates, they said that they witnessed mid-teen digit growth for the jewelry business, and that too despite no new launches. So even then, the jewelry business has done very well. But away from the Titan part of it, the other factor that's also working in favor of them is the shift to the unorganized, from the unorganized to the organized space. And also do remember, with the entire reluctance around lending for two jewelry companies, especially with all the scams that are being unearthed, it looks like the possibility and the difficulty with which local and regional jewelry players will have to procure working capital and loan requirements from banks will only increase. And that is something that does give a leg up to more organized and bigger pan-India players like Titan. Apart from that, not only it's the jewelry business, it's also the watches business. Remember that 2015, 2016, the watches business had been struggling. The EBIT margins were just about near 0%, in fact, dipping perhaps into the negative. But they had said that there will be a 2-year correction period, and rightly so. After that 2-year period, the watches business has been able to rebound very strongly. And most brokerages as well have an add or a buy rating on the stock.
Right. Okay, thanks, Mubina, for that. Ajay, the typical bear case argument starts with valuations looking steep. What do you have to say in your defense?
Well, Tanveer, the three most important words in the world of investing are margin of safety. And probably that's something which the stock actually started to lack. That's what most analysts are saying, that the stock has run up over 2 times in the 1.5 year, 3 times if you take a longer horizon. And when the market overall is looking slightly on the lofty side, despite of all the positives which nobody is disputing, those positives have gone into the price now. At 52 times 1 year forward sitting here, management has guided for all the positives. In fact, one of the big brokerages, Morgan Stanley, has downgraded the stock on higher valuations. So valuations have taken center stage. Positives are surely there, and they are panning out, but they have got into the price. In fact, now a lot of other peers, there are smaller jewelry, organized jewelry players below Titan. They are also trading at better valuations compared to Titan. In fact, not only that, analysts have started asking clients to switch to other consumer names than Titan. So nobody is disputing all the positives, but it's getting into the price, and the incremental amount of money from here on will be relatively lesser made on this stock.